everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in a cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too. Just follow my moves. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, my family home for the holidays. I'm in the studio.
So I'm here with my girlfriend, showing her the house in Hillside for the first time. She haven't seen it since we've done
gorgeous.
The word. Hey.
It is beautiful.
It really is.
Beautiful.
It's coming along.
Everything came out so nice. It's so beautiful.
I actually love it. I definitely love it.
And I love the floor, the wood.
This is
floor.
actually laminate flooring.
Okay.
But this is like waterproof. This is a really great quality of laminate flooring. Yep.
Nice.
Very good quality.
Gorgeous.
Let's go see the basement.
Good job, sis.
Oh.
This is another closet.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing is full of space.
It's a linen closet.
This is so big.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It's a lot of space. It's a lot of space.
Yeah.
Very spacious.
Remember, I got a big ass family. All of them was gonna be over here.
Oh my God, there's another. This house is huge. I didn't even think this place was this big.
I know, right?
Oh my Jesus. This is like another.
What you said? You could rent this one.
Yeah, I want to make this like, you can rent this. Make this another part of the house. You can make
Rent it.
Oh my God. I'm going to tell Molly's. She's going to have to rent this spot here.
Get some money for
We're
it.
going to get some money for this space here. This is big. This is a big room.
It's a mechanical room.
Wow, this is gorgeous. This don't even
Laundry
look like
room.
a basement. It's so nice.
It's the laundry room.
This is beautiful.
I can't wait for this house to be done.
This is gorgeous. This is nice,
It is.
guys. This is, you can make, like, that's like another little apartment. You can rent this out and get money for this.
You crazy. I am not renting no damn basement.
Yes, and Molly has agreed with me too.
I know she probably would rent it if she was staying here. She'd be like, yeah, goddamn Haitians love to rent something, rent rooms and shit.
Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my God, you don't even think this is a basement. It don't even look like a basement, in fact, because it's so nice. Oh.
I can't wait for the damn kitchen. Oh, I need this kitchen to hurry up and come. No, the HVAC guy. The HVAC guy. Mm-hmm.
This house has 3 floors. It's like 3 floors.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my, even the doorknobs are different. This is so classic. It's different. Oh my Lord.
The black doorknobs,
Yes.
the black hinges,
This is beautiful.
white and black. Go look at the other closet dash.
Oh my God. Wow. So spacious.
Yes, the walk-in, right?
Oh my God, look at this. You get to put all your clothes, everything will be in together. Everything so nice.
Yep, I know, I love it.
You keep it organized. This
Uh-huh.
is beautiful. The room is very nice and spacious.
Mm-hmm.
Big windows. Woo. And then that's the, this is gorgeous. This is nice. I want to live here. This is so
I know.
nice.
I'm like, shit, I don't want to sell, but I need this money right about
This
now.
house. You gotta keep this house. This is too nice. The doorknob's so pretty.
I gotta order the door stoppers.
Oh, goodness. This is so beautiful. This is another closet here.
Mm-hmm. It's like a linen closet.
Oh, this is so many space.
Hello,
This is so good.
how are you?
Very.
Very.
I love it. I love it. Everything's so beautiful and nice. And
Oh, okay, you're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. Fala para la mission, pues. N'oublie pas, non.
nice. Very nice. Everything's so nice. So you cleaning the windows and stuff?
Yeah, I'm doing like the windows and baseboards.
Okay. Okay, nice meeting you. Thank you. Oh my God. Woo!
Look at the glass door.
This is so gorgeous.
here bathing.
Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful.
It is. It really is.
Oh my God, this is
This is
nice.
like one of my best
This is something
projects.
like you see like in the movies or something like that. You don't normally see stuff like that. This is like not a regular type of thing. This is really
This is one of my
nice.
best projects, Dad.
Yeah,
Right?
Yes, it is.
Because you see them all.
This is one of the most beautiful homes, really.
I'm proud.
love
I
it.
think my
love it. You did really
architect,
good.
my
The
architect,
tiles are so nice.
he picked it out. My architect.
Oh, my
Listen,
goodness.
this is all because of him.
Yeah, the tiles are so nice, so beautiful.
Look
Oh,
at the
man.
other rooms.
And it's so soothing, like
Yeah.
you take a nice bath here.
You can sit in here for a
You
while.
can sit for a while, you know, just relax.
I agree.
This is beautiful. I love.
That's the vanity.
The vanity.
Yeah, they had to cut it because it was this thing right here was interfering with it, so they cut it. So now I gotta get a top for it because I can't use the one that came with it, which is what it is.
Beautiful, sis. This is beautiful. This is coming out so nice.
Yeah,
My God, it's like is this the same place that I came
I
to?
know, right? The before, remember?
Oh my God,
I can't wait to do
spacious
the
room here. This room is very nice and spacious.
I
And,
can't wait.
I love the flooring. This is nice too. This is beautiful.
I can't wait to do the
Ooh, my
the
goodness.
landscaping.
And all the closets are. Oh my God, this is
Yeah.
all custom made.
Yep.
Closets.
Yep, I had all of them.
Oh man, you have all the space to put everything, linen,
Girl.
clothes. Nothing will be in disorder in here. This is gonna be really, oh my God, really nice.
I know my mother gonna be upset. I know she is, but hey.
Listen, she's gonna cry because
I know.
this right here.